Good morning, children. This is the second session of Standard 10th Civics, Chapter 1 Indian Constitution. Session 1 Indian Constitution. Introduction. The need for a constitution. Making of the Indian Constitution. Salient features of Indian Constitution. Preamble. Citizenship. The word citizen is derived from the Latin term civis. Citizenship means a resident of a city or a state. Acquisition of citizenship. The Citizenship Act of 1955 provides for acquisition and loss of citizenship after the commencement of the Constitution. Citizenship Act has been amended so far 8 times. The Citizenship Act of 1955 prescribes 5 ways of acquiring citizenship, that is, birth, descent, registration, naturalization, and incorporation of territory. By birth, all persons born in India, born on or after January 26, 1950, are treated as citizens by birth. By descent, a person born outside India on or after January 26, 1950 shall be a citizen of India if his father is a citizen of India at the time of his birth. By registration, a person can acquire citizenship of India by registration with appropriate authority. By registration, a person who married to an Indian citizen and resident for 7 years before making the application with the Ministry of Home Affairs. By naturalization, a foreigner can acquire Indian citizenship on application for naturalization to the Government of India. A British citizen. A person can acquire citizenship by naturalization if he or she is ordinarily resident of India for 12 years throughout 12 months preceding the date of application and 11 years in the aggregate, and fulfills all qualifications in the third schedule of the Citizenship Act. By incorporation of territory, a territory being added to the territory of India, the Government of India shall specify the persons of that territory who shall be the citizen of India. That is, if any foreign territory becomes a part of India, the Government of India specifies the persons who among the people of the territory shall be the citizen of India for the notified date. For example, when Pondicherry became a part of India, the Government of India issued the Citizenship Pondicherry Order 1962 under the Citizenship Act 1955. Laws of citizenship. The Citizenship Act of 1955 prescribes 3 ways of losing citizenship, that is, renunciation, termination, and deprivation. It can be voluntarily renounced by a citizen. Renunciation is a voluntary act by which a person, after acquiring the citizenship of another country, gives up his Indian citizenship. It can be terminated if a person acquires the citizenship of some other country. Termination takes place by operation of law. When an Indian citizen voluntarily acquires the citizenship of another country, he can automatically cease to be an Indian citizen. The central government can deprive naturalized citizen if it was acquired by fraud or false representation or indulges in trade with enemy countries. Fundamental rights. The fundamental rights are written in Part 3 of the Constitution from Articles 12 to 35. At present, there are 6 fundamental rights. Part 3 of the Constitution is rightly described as the Magna Carta of India. Magna Carta issued by King John of England in 1215. It was first written document related to fundamental rights of citizens. Right to equality. Article 14, all are equal before law. Article 15, prohibition of discrimination, that is religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Article 18, abolition of titles except military and academic. Right to freedom. Article 19, freedom of speech and expression. Article 21, a right to elementary education. Article 22, protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Right against exploitation. Article 23, prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Article 24, prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. Right to religion. Article 25, freedom to profess, practice and propagate religion. Article 26, freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 28, freedom from attending religious instructions or worship in educational institutions. Cultural and educational rights. Article 29, protection of language, script and culture of minorities. Article 30, right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. Right to constitutional remedies. Article 32, it allows individuals to seek redressal, means compensation for the violation of their fundamental rights. Right to constitutional remedies. Article 32. A writ is an order or a command issued by a court in writing under its seal. Both the Supreme Court and High Courts are empowered to issue 5 kinds of writs: habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari and quo warranto. According to Dr. Ambedkar, Article 32 is the heart and soul of the Constitution. Habeas corpus safeguards people from illegal arrest. Mandamus, it protects the petitioner who requires legal help to get his work done by public authorities. Prohibition, it is the practice of forbidding something by law. Certiorari, a writ or order by which a higher court reviews a case tried in a lower court. Quo warranto, it prevents taking control of public office through illegal manner. Suspension of public fundamental rights. When the President makes a proclamation of emergency under Article 352, the freedom guaranteed under Article 19 are automatically suspended. Suspended means stopped. The President can suspend other fundamental rights through specific orders. But the President cannot suspend the freedom given under Article 20 and 21. Protection in respect of conviction for offences and protection of life and personal liberty respectively in any circumstances. With this, we come to the end of Session 2, Standard 10, Civics, Chapter 1, Indian Constitution. So, in Session 1, we learnt about Indian Constitution, Introduction, the need for a Constitution, making of Indian Constitution, salient features of Indian Constitution, Preamble. In Session 2, we learnt Citizenship, Citizenship Act of 1955, acquisition of citizenship by birth, by descent, by registration, by naturalization, by incorporation of territory, laws of citizenship, fundamental rights, right to constitutional remedies, Articles 32, suspension of fundamental rights. Thank you.